everybody, this is unboxing. I told you guys I would get today, and I got. Today's the 5th, Thursday. And I'm going to be doing, oh, you can do that. Now, let's see. Right here. Okay. Question. I probably just cut the tape. There. And you guys are planning to put it coming soon, and I got a different one. Oh, that's actually close open. Alright guys, get ready to see. This is the unboxing I got. 500 cards, and it'd be in the title why I did. And stay tuned, I'm going to be going through each of these for you guys. Yeah. Here's the hard graphics. Rares. Oh wait, are these hard graphics too? Yeah, hard graphics. Here's the rares. Yeah. Here's some rares. Stay tuned to see all the video. This is color. Signing out. See ya. Thanks for watching.